Welcome back. It's amazing to have you join us back on still our lesson on time. And here we'll be treating the last part of this lesson, which is word problems on time. Here we'll be looking at how to relate some words problem, like probably the lesson started at tutor time and ended at tutor time. How long did the lesson take? I started a journey from my house at tutor time. I ended up at school at social time. How long did my journey take? So we try to interpret some words problem into mathematical solution with regards to time. Okay, so let's go through some examples we have on the board. The mathematics lesson started at 9:15 a.m. and ended at 10:35 a.m. How long did the lesson take? Mathematics lesson started at 9:15 a.m. and ended at 10:35 a.m. How long did the lesson take? Now let's go straight and bring out our parameters from the question. The mathematics lesson started at, so lesson started at when? Lesson started at 9:15 a.m. Lesson ends at 10:35 a.m. So how long did the lesson last? So duration of lesson is what we are looking for. The lesson started at this time and ended at this time. So the duration of the lesson will be this time minus this time. So it's going to be 10:35 a.m. minus 9:15 a.m. Are we together? So it's going to be 10:35 a.m. minus 9:15 a.m. Let's subtract and see. 5 minus 5 gives us 0. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. 10 minus 1 gives us 1. So the duration of the lesson is 1 hour 20 minutes. The duration of the lesson is 1 hour 20 minutes. Now let's go by it again. The mathematics lesson started at 9:15 a.m. and ended at 10:35 a.m. How long did the lesson take? Now the lesson started at 9:15 a.m. That was when the math lesson started. And the lesson ended at 10:35 a.m. That's when the lesson ended. So we started here. The lesson started here and ended here. Now this is 9:15 a.m. and this is 10:35 a.m. So I want to know how long the lesson lasted. Okay? So it's going to be this minus this. So it's going to be 10:35 a.m. minus, these are start, these are finish. So it's going to be finish minus start. So finish minus start. So that's 10:35 a.m. minus 9:15 a.m. Okay? So this is 5 minus 5 gives us 0. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. 10 minus 9 gives us 1. So the lesson lasted for 1 hour 20 minutes. Now we have another example to try out and see. Say a bus driver takes 2 hours 40 minutes to drive from Lagos to Ibadan and 3 hours 45 minutes from Ibadan to Ilorin. How long did the driver take altogether? Okay? So the driver, let's assume this is our bus driver. This is our bus. Bus driver takes 2 hours 40 minutes to drive from Lagos. This is Lagos to where? This is Lagos to Ibadan. then to Ilorin, Lagos, Ibadan, Ilorin. It takes 2 hours 40 minutes. 2 hours 40 minutes from Lagos to Ibadan, and 3 hours 45 minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes from Ibadan to Ilorin. How much time did the driver take altogether? So we are going to add this time to this time to know how much time the driver took altogether, okay? So time driver took altogether is equal to 2 hours 40 minutes plus 3 hours 45 minutes. So let's add and see. 2 hours 40 minutes, 3 hours 45 minutes. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have 5 hours. 5 hours 85 minutes. So we have 5 hours 85 minutes. Mind you, we can't leave 85 minutes as 85 minutes. So let's convert it to hour and see what we're going to get. So 85 minutes is equal to 85 minus 60, which is equal to 1 hour 25 minutes. It's going to give us 1 hour 25 minutes. So let's add it here. We have 5 hours plus 1 hour 25 minutes. So we have 6 hours 25 minutes as our final answer. So the journey took, or the driver took, 6 hours 25 minutes altogether to travel from Lagos to Ilorin. Very simple, okay? So please do drop down your questions and try out the few exercises you have below this, okay? And have a wonderful day.